Hey guys, my name is Daniel. You guys might know me from the other time when me and my brother were with Kula in our fishing trip. Today we're gonna be fixing our boat. We're gonna be fixing the ground right here, this floor. It's just pure wood under here. Really don't has no fiberglass, no nothing, so it's not waterproof at all. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be applying some fiberglass on there. Let's hide that. We got some fiberglass cloths. They're 46 and a half by 25 inches. We got 10 of these. We got some fiberglass mats, which is different. These are like strands. I don't know if you guys can see that real good. Yeah, these are almost look like carbon fiber. You can see like little weaves on there. And so we're gonna be using this fiberglass resin. This is it's a gallon, I think it is. Yes, a gallon, I think. And we also got some big paintbrushes, so we could use this so we could put down the resin. We also got this, so it isn't, because the resin is really strong. This thing will melt plastic, so we need this. We need something metal or something very hard so it doesn't melt through. But yeah, right now we're just gonna take off all this interior, put it to the side, clean up the wood a little bit, take off any dirt, anything that's on top of it, see if there's any like rocks, anything. Move our gas tanks, move to the top real quick, and we got to also put fiberglass on that trans I think it's transom. I'm not really sure what it's called. You see there's like a pretty big crack right there. We need to sand that down a little bit and put more fiberglass over it so it could be a really make it a little bit more sturdier. Also, we got some holes over here. I don't know what these are from. We bought this boat with these holes. We got some hole, this hole right here. We can sand it down a little bit, put a little bit of fiberglass, smoothing it out. We also got a little baby hole over there. But yeah, guys, right now we're just gonna move everything to the side, and we'll hit you guys up once we're done. Alright guys, so what we just did right there, what you guys seen that little time lapse, let me see. We took off these edges. We had like panels one all the way up to over there. We took those off so we could expose all this foam, so we could layer our fiberglass going like this up here, went up to like at least like right here. Also, we exposed this side as well, all the way up to over there in the front. So you can do the exact same thing over there. I kind of cleaned over here. Like, it still needs a little bit of cleaning, like all this. We need to take that off. A little bit of all this stuff. This is like the old flooring, the old like fake tile with, like this right here. Also over here we need a little bit more cleaning, but we don't have a shop vac, so all we have right now is just a little blower, a little handheld blower, and some brooms. But yeah, right now we just need a. We're just gonna put the resin. I mean, we're gonna start mixing the resin, and start laying our fiberglass. But I think before we do that, we're gonna have to get like some white. Some wet paper towels or something, and start wiping that little foam off so we don't have no dirt on it, so it can stick better. Because if it's dirty or anything, it'll be very hard for it to stick. Also, in the transom back here as well, it has paint. As you can see, it has like gray marine paint or something, oil-based paint. We also need to take that off, sand it down a little bit, and then we could start laying our fiberglass over that. Also, we're not really good at this stuff. This is gonna be like our second time trying this, but this is like the biggest surface we ever did with fiberglass. And so let's see how it goes. Okay guys, well, I read the description right here, the directions, well, it says for every 1/4 ounce, I think it said, of fiberglass resin, you're supposed to put 1/4 milliliter, 1/4 milliliter of this little bottle it comes with. We bought 2 extra ones just in case, but I really don't know we don't have no measuring cups or anything, so we're just gonna kind of see what is 1/4 or anything like that. Also, if you're gonna be using this, you should have a mask. We don't have a mask with us or anything, so we don't have it, so we can't use it. But I recommend this because this is really, stuff is stinky and it's very strong. Also, with fiberglass, any type of fiberglass, you will need gloves because it'll get itchy. It gets in your skin. It's very, very hard to get off. Like, you need to take a shower or something, scrub it off. Also, you need to wear eyeglasses. We don't have no glasses, so just be careful with this stuff. This one I've never tried, but I'm pretty sure this is different. This is like probably like less harmful than this stuff, because this is I don't know if we have some, okay, I got some right here. Like you can see, has lots of like big hairs. That thing is itchy. These is like, I've never seen these in my life. I've never used these. This stuff is like, oh yeah, look at this. This is like way better. So this is like actual like cloth, like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm not even afraid of this. I'm more afraid of this than this. I'm just grabbing this like nothing. This feels cool. Also, do not let this stuff get on your skin or anything. It does burn a lot. I was doing some other work with this, and it was really stinging my hands. It burns, and really had to freaking wash your hands off and all that with soap. So yeah, guys, right now, once we get this stuff mixed a little bit and we hop in there and start laying our stuff out, we'll show you guys. I accidentally grabbed some resin, already mixed and everything. I grabbed it in my hand, accidentally put it on this wrap on accident, so I had to go wash it off. But right now, I am just gonna grab all my resin, little by little like this. Start off in the middle, most likely. Oh, let me start that. Alright guys, right now my hands, I accidentally touched my own resin and started burning. Ouch. Oh, it's actually burning through my shirt. I didn't know it touched that. Oh, that actually burns. Alright guys, look at this. So we got the fiberglass mat, which is this one right here. Is like this little furry one. We got one layer here and another layer over there, so that's two. Where it cracks right there, that's in the middle. It's in the middle. We got another layer over there. This line right here, it's the middle. We got another layer over here, so that is 4 pieces in total, 4 mats from 38 inches, I think it is. Okay, from right here, from these lines that way, all the way over there and down, those are the cloth, the fiberglass cloths, which is this one, the one that looks like, oh, it's still kind of fresh. The one that looks like clothes, like your clothes, like not fiberglass. In total right here it was like 3 pieces. It was one from that line up over there, the middle one is from that right here all the way up to right here to this right here, and then the third one is from right here all the way up to right that. These are, I'm gonna leave them up here because I'm gonna try to make it go all the way up here to this fiberglass, so it could be like an up and over, so it could be watertight, even though this is already waterproof, but just for more security. If you guys are wondering what that hole right there is, this is the drain, but I need to cut all that off and tuck it in. Like, I'm gonna just cut this corner up over there and then tuck it in and try to fiberglass it from the bottom. Also all that, just so when there's water under there, it doesn't rot the water from, the wood from the bottom. And right Guys, there's a pretty big mess over here. Okay, let me get on it. So right here, what I'm gonna do, there's like a big old crack right here. I need to clean that up. It's not a crack, but it's just like a it's like a joint right here from where the wood meets the fiberglass of the boat. I need to put some sort of filling in here. I need to first clean that up and then put the filling, and then I'm gonna put this fiberglass that you see right here up and over, like over this. But before everything, I'm gonna sand this down. I'm gonna sand all of this down so it could stick on pretty good. I'm also gonna attach this piece to the hole, to the top of the hole, and that should make almost like a waterproof seal. This stuff right here, this also, I'm gonna put this, try to touch over here, and after that I think that will be done. I'm probably just gonna do like just one layer of fiberglass, just because I'm kind of on a budget. This is just an old boat we bought. If you guys are wondering, it's a 1975 tri-hull Mark Twain. It has an 85, an 85, I think it is. Yeah, 85, right?
Yeah, it doesn't go that far.
It's an 85 Mercury. It's 8.585. Yeah, it has 2 tanks. It has 2 5-gallons. The engine runs good. Just we need a basically we just needed to put this interior. All the glasses are good. There's no broken glass. We need a new horn, which I got already from Harbor Freights. We need some of this. This is very crispy. This is the old wood from here. You guys can see, really rotten. It's like these guys it's like a normal plywood. They just put it in here. Look at this stuff. Comes off real easy. Yeah, guys, and that's pretty much gonna be it. We just need to clean it up a little bit. Just finish this up, and after that we could take it out for a spin at the lake. And then after that, we don't really do any lake stuff, so probably gonna take it to the beach, fish out there, see what we can get. But thank you guys. Today, this is gonna be the ending of today's video. Tomorrow we'll get back on it and see what we can do and how much progress we can do. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you.